Yo, welcome back to Project Gaming. This is Al here. Today I've got a very special guest with me, Dom, the DJ. Dom, do you want to introduce yourself a little bit?
Hey, what's up guys? This is DOMPOON here. I'm a music producer and a DJ. Obviously looking for a new setup today.
Yep, so we're going to be building Dom a brand new setup, and we're going to predominantly use MSI parts. We also got the new Lian 011 Dynamic Evo case, so very excited to build the computer into that. Dom, what are you using this computer for?
Predominantly music production, so my current setup is struggling really hard to complete my music projects. So now I'm looking for a bigger beast.
What about gaming?
Who doesn't game, Alex?
Okay, alright. We're going to be featuring Dom's music during the build as well. Be sure to listen to it, and we're going to get into unboxing then.
Hi, my name is Cal and I'm going to be introducing the parts. So we have here the GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming Z Trio, 12 gigs from MSI. We picked this guy up at 3,490 Hong Kong dollars. The prices of these are slowly creeping down, back down to MRSP. Still has some ways to go. MSI really emphasized their Torque Fans 4.0 on these ones. So next up, the CPU, we're pairing it with the Intel Core i5 12600K processor. It's got 10 cores, which translates to being great for gaming as well as content creation. For Dom's case, making dope ass beats. This cost us 2,090 Hong Kong dollars. The CPU did not come in a box, so we need to pair it with a cooler. To keep it on theme, we're staying with MSI. We're running the MAG CORELIQUID B240 liquid cooling setup. The summers are quite hot, so this will keep it cool so Dom doesn't lose any performance. This is a 240 AIO with RGB, and this set us back 590 Hong Kong dollars. You already know it. MSI all the way. We're going to be putting our CPU into an MSI MAG B660M Mortar Wi-Fi DDR4. It supports two M.2 Gen 4 because we know how big music files can be. Less time wasted on waiting for files to load, more time spent making music. It's got 3 USB 2.2 Gen 2 Type A and 1 USB 3.2 Type C. Great for transferring music files around. This set us back 1,370 Hong Kong dollars. For RAM, we try to be economical. We're running 2 boxes of 16 gigabytes P&Y XLR8 DDR4 3200 MHz, so a total of 32 gigabytes of RAM. This set us back 960 Hong Kong dollars. For storage, again, we're trying to be economical. 1 terabyte of M.2 Acer FA100. This set us back 580 Hong Kong dollars. I suspect Dom will run his storage pretty quickly. He most likely will need to up his storage capacity in the near future. And last but not least, we're talking about the juice. We're showing NZXT some love. This is a C850 ATX PSU, 80 plus gold, so easy on the electricity bill, fully modular cables, and this set us back 990 Hong Kong dollars. Dom wanted a showpiece for his series, so we had to go with the 011 Dynamic Evo in black. So that set us back 1,190 Hong Kong dollars. 6 more MSI ARGB 12cm case fans to complete the look. So the total damage was 12,154 Hong Kong dollars. Next up, the standard benchmarks. So running Cinebench, our best score was 16,900. On CSGO, we were bouncing between 200 and 300 FPS. But that's enough from me. Let's hear from Dom, from the end user, about how it compares with his old setup.
So my last setup was a 2019 MacBook Pro. I used it for about a year or two before it started getting really slow as my music projects got bigger. So it only had like 8 gigabytes of RAM. So I'd say typically when I'm working on music, I'll export it and render it quite a bit. And historically it would maybe take up to 20 to 30 minutes if it's a very complex project, which it is getting quite complex from my side. So nowadays on my new desktop, it takes maybe about 5, maybe 10 minutes max to export and render. So it's quite a huge time saver. Where can people listen to your music? So predominantly Spotify, Apple Music, but you can also find my stuff on YouTube and SoundCloud. And for maybe more specifically DJs, they can also download my music on Beatport. So my current one is So Far featuring Levi from Space. So that one is signed to a Berlin-based label. I am working on a couple of exciting projects, so stay tuned. So my most recent residency was at Pop & J's. I have played in various venues such as hotels, restaurants. I would say I'm quite event-based, so my most recent event was at Soho House. Stay tuned on my socials to see when my next event is.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here's the final build. Looks amazing. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification, leave us a comment.
And check out my music on this link here.
Okay, and see you guys in the next one.